Hi and welcome. I'm Baimon, a legal assistant from SVBL. Today's video is an overview on the non-immigrant B visa, also known as business visa, your gateway to business, employment, or teaching opportunities in Thailand. In this video, we will break down the different types of non-B visas, who they are for, or how to apply. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which visa suits your needs and how to start the process. What is the non-immigrant B visa? The non-immigrant B visa, commonly called the non-B visa or business visa, is issued to foreigners who wish to enter Thailand for business, employment, or teaching purpose. Each type of non-B visa is tailored to specific needs, with varying requirements, durations, and privileges. This guide will help you understanding the proposed eligibility criteria and application process for the different non-B visa options. So, who is the non-B visa for? Think of the non-B visa as a multi-purpose tool for professionals. It's designed for three primary groups. First, entrepreneurs, investors, or corporate representatives visiting Thailand for short-term business activities. Second, those who have secure employment in Thailand and need a work permit. Third, educators taking up roles in Thai schools or universities. If you fall into one of these categories, the non-B visa is your ticket to working or conducting professional activities in Thailand. Let's dive into each type in detail. First is non-B visa for conducting business. This visa is for activities like attending business meetings or conferences, conducting market research, engaging in business negotiations, exploring potential private investments. Here is the visa duration for non-B visa conducting business. First is the single entry for 90 days, the multiple entry, valid for 1 year, allowing multiple entries during its validity. Please note, this visa does not allow you to work in Thailand. It's strictly for business activities. How do you obtain the non-B visa for conducting business? You will need an invitation letter from a Thai business counterpart or organization, and applications must be made via the Thai e-visa platform or at Thai embassies or consulates abroad. It cannot be obtained within Thailand. Here are required documents for 90-day visa. First, passport, which valid for at least 6 months beyond your intent stay. Second, visa application form, which complete and signed. Third, recent passport size photograph, which taken within the last 6 months. Invitation letter from Thai company or organization stating the purpose and duration of your visit. Fifth, corporate documents of the inviting company should include business registration certificate, business license, list of shareholders, company profile, detail of business operations, balance sheet and tax statements, and location of the company. For the sixth required document, financial evidence is personal bank statement showing sufficient funds. Seventh, proof of accommodation. It can be a hotel bookings or a letter from your host. Here are additional documents for 1 year multiple entry visa. It include first, evidence of business activities, the documents proving the necessity for multiple visits. Second, financial evidence. It can be bank statement showing a minimum balance as specified by the embassy or consulate. Third, letter explaining need for multiple entries. It must be issued from your company detailing the need for frequent travel. Important restrictions. While the non-B visa for conducting business is incredibly versatile for professionals, there are key limitations. First, work restriction. This visa strictly prohibits any form of employment or income-generating activities within Thailand. Second, is business only used. It is exclusively intended for short-term business purpose, not for setting up long-term operations or work engagements. Next, 3-year non-immigrant B visa for business visits. The 3-year non-immigrant B visa is the ideal solution for professionals and business owners who require frequent travel to Thailand over an extended period, whether attending meetings, negotiating deals, or conducting market research. This visa offers unparalleled convenience for long-term business engagement without the constant visa renewals. Here's why this visa is an excellent choice. First, it's valid for 3 years. providing peace of mind for extended business planning and execution. Second, multiple entries are allowed, enabling flexibility for frequent travels. Third, the stay per entry are up to 90 days, freeing ample time for productive business trips. This visa streamlines travel logistics, saving professionals both time and money by eliminating the need for repeat short-term visa applications. Here's the benefits of the 3-year non-immigrant visa. First, it's cost-effective. It can be avoid repeat application fees and administrative hassle. Second, it's convenient, ideal for entrepreneurs, consultants, or representatives managing Thai business ventures or partnership. Third, it's flexible. Multiple entries allow for dynamic scheduling to meet evolving business needs. And here's how to obtain the 3-year non-B visa. This visa is available through the Thai e-visa system or at Thai embassy and consulates abroad. And here's the list required documentations. First, you will need all documents required for the 1-year visa, plus a financial evidence showing a minimum balance of 3 million baht, which can include a bank statement, proof of investment, property of ownership, and for the additional supporting document, it can be a business plan or proposal, a letter of recommendation. Important notes: the visa are conditioned. While visa permits business-related activities such as attending conference, networking, and market exploration, it strictly prohibits direct employment or working within Thai business. And for the renewal option at the end of the 3-year period, applicants may reapply following the same procedures, provided they meet all eligibility requirements. Next is non-B visa for working in Thailand. To legally work in Thailand, you must have a work permit. This visa is specifically for individuals who have secure employment with a Thai employer. Is an essential step for those looking to establish their professional career in Thailand. Here is the visa and work permit details. First, the initial visa duration. A 90-day non-B visa is typically issued first, giving you time to apply for your work permit. Second, work permit validity. Once approved, work permits can last from 6 months to 2 years, depending on your employment contract and the employer's qualifications. Third, visa extension. After obtaining your work permit, you can extend your visa for up to 1 year or more, ensuring your legal stay in Thailand while you work. How to obtain the non-B visa for working? The process involves several steps, but with a proper preparation, it can be straightforward. First, you have to secure an employment. To obtain a job offer from legally registered Thai company, ensure your employment meets the necessary requirements, such as having at least 2 million baht in registered capital and 4 Thai employees on payroll if the company is BOI certified. And second, obtain a 90-day non-B visa either at a Thai embassy or consulate abroad, or by converting your current visa, such as a tourist visa, to a non-B visa within Thailand. Third, apply for a work permit. Use your non-B visa to apply for a work permit through Department of Employment. The processing time varies, but it typically takes a few weeks. Fourth, extend your visa. Once your work permit is approved, visit the Immigration Bureau to extend your 90-day non-B visa to a 1 or 2 years visa. This ensures long-term stay while working in Thailand. Please note, to stay in Thailand during the process, you must remain in country throughout the visa extension process to maintain your legal status. Leaving before approval could disrupt the application, and your employer must ensure they meet all legal obligations such as tax registration, VAT filing, and maintaining proper documentation. Here's the document required. For the 90-day non-B visa, first, you will need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. Second, a letter of employment from your Thai employer. Third, company registration documents from your employer. Fourth, evidence of your qualifications such as diplomas, certifications, or resume. For the 1-year visa extension, you will need first, a work permit. Second, evidence of payments such as personal income tax or corporate tax documentation. Third, updated corporate documents from your employer, such as company affidavit or financial report. Special considerations: for BOI companies. If your employer is promoted by Thailand Board of Investment, we call it the BOI, you will enjoy significant advantages. First, a faster processing. The applications are streamlined through the one-stop service center, reducing the waiting time. Second, reduced documentation. The requirements for supporting documents are fewer, making the process smoother for both employer and employee. Third, additional privileges include longer durations for both visa and work permits, simplified visa application for family dependents, and streamlined 90-day reporting requirements for long-term residents. Finally, non-B visa for teaching. For those aspiring to teach in Thailand schools or universities, the non-B visa for teaching is a vital requirement. It serves the foundation for securing legal employment in the Thai education sector, international schools, language centers, or government institutions. Here are some things to keep in mind. First, the institution sponsoring your visa must be recognized and authorized by the Ministry of Education or related governing bodies. Second, applicants must possess at least a bachelor's degree in any field. Additional teaching credentials such as TEFL or teaching license are often required for higher tier schools or universities. Third, the school must sponsor your work permit, which is issued alongside the non-B visa. Fourth, you will need to provide a police clearance certificate from your home country and a medical clearance certifying your fitness to work in Thailand. Fifth, visa duration and renewal. Initially issued for 90 days, the non-B visa for teaching can be extended to 1 year. Renewable annually, provide employment and visa conditions are maintained. Here's the step to obtain the non-B visa for teaching. First, secure a teaching position with a recognized institution. Second, obtain a 90-day non-B visa either from abroad or by converting within Thailand. Third, applying for a teaching work permit through the Ministry of Labor. Fourth, extend the visa to 1 year after receiving the work permit. And here's the list of documents required. For the 90-day visa, you will need first, passport. Second, employment contract. Third, proof of educational qualification. Fourth, invitation letter from the institution. Fifth, school license or registration documents. For the 1 year extension, you will need work permit. Second, letter from the school confirming employment. Third, proof of address. Fourth, tax payment records. In summary, the non-immigrant B visa is your key to unlocking business opportunities, employment, and teaching careers in Thailand. Whether you are conducting short-term business, seeking long-term employment, or aiming to educate the next generation, understanding the right visa type and application process is crucial. Visa applications can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. Contact us today for a free 15 minutes consultation. Our team of experts is here to guide you through every step of the process, ensuring a smooth and successful application. To see our contents on other types of Thailand visa and to make sure that you don't miss any update, please follow us on our social platforms. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.